How to fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. So let's get started. Open Settings. Scroll down. Now navigate to Apps. Tap App Management. Wait until all the apps get loaded. Tap Search Bar. Type in YouTube. Open its App Info. Scroll down. Navigate to picture-in-picture and make sure that you turn on the button for picture-in-picture. Now close the settings. Open YouTube. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Navigate to gear icon at top right. Select General and make sure you got the option to show in video info cards. If it is there, you can easily make sure it is enabled and close YouTube. Once done, long press on YouTube app icon and tap on eye icon. Again, you will reach an app info page where you have to tap on storage uses and tap on clear cache. If PiP doesn't still work, try offloading or reinstalling YouTube. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.